Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the OPPO Watch X2, a sleek, bright, and smarter upgrade to your daily routine. It brings a sharp AMOLED display, smooth performance, accurate health tracking, and reliable battery life, all packed into a stylish and durable design. Perfect for fitness, productivity, and everyday convenience. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the OPPO Watch X2. Magnetic charging base with USB-C charging cable, quick start guide, and safety guide. Technical specifications. The OPPO Watch X2 features a stainless steel case with a titanium alloy bezel, a plastic bottom with glass sensor area, and sapphire crystal front. It comes with black fluoro rubber or blue hybrid leather straps with stainless steel buckles. The 1.50-inch LTPO AMOLED display delivers 466 by 466 pixels at 310 ppi, with peak brightness up to 2,200 nits. Its slim 46.6 by 47.6 by 11.75 millimeter case is lightweight and stylish. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset with 32 GB storage and 2 GB RAM, it includes sensors for heart rate, SpO2, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, barometer, ambient light, wrist temperature, and ECG. Health tracking covers heart rate, SpO2, sleep, stress, and over 100 fitness modes. The watch is durable with 5 ATM IP68 and MILSTD 810H certification. The 648 mAh battery lasts up to 120 hours in smart mode or 16 days in power saver mode, with fast charging giving a full day's use in just 10 minutes. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, NFC, and dual-frequency GNSS. Controls include a rotating crown, side button, and touch gestures, with a built-in speaker and mic for calls and voice commands. It runs on ColorOS Watch 7.0 with Wear OS 5.0, delivering a smooth and versatile experience. Its modern, premium design is ideal for daily wear and fitness use. It offers standard water and dust protection, while fall detection and SOS are not officially confirmed. You can choose between the stylish Lava Black and Summit Blue variants. Product features. The OPPO Watch X2 can perform a quick yet comprehensive health analysis in just 60 seconds, checking key metrics like heart rate, blood oxygen, SpO2, and wrist temperature. This gives you a snapshot of your well-being instantly and lets you track trends over time via the companion health app, helping you stay proactive about your health. Equipped with dedicated ECG electrodes and multiple advanced sensors, heart rate, SpO2, temperature, the watch can monitor cardiovascular signals like arterial stiffness and ECG readings, which are useful for detecting irregularities in your heart rhythm. These insights support deeper health awareness beyond basic fitness tracking. The dual-frequency GPS, capturing both L1 and L5 satellite signals, enhances location accuracy significantly compared to single-band systems. This makes mapping runs, hikes, and bike routes much more precise, especially in areas with weak signal or high interference, and is ideal for outdoor athletes. Powered by Wear OS by Google, the Watch X2 lets you interact with notifications, respond to messages, control music, and use Google Apps right from your wrist. You can also control your smartphone's camera and video playback remotely, making everyday tasks more convenient without having to reach for your phone. How to pair. To pair the OPPO Watch X2, begin by powering on the watch, then download the O Health app on your Android or iOS device. Open the app, sign in or create an O Health account, and tap the Add Device or Plus option. Select Watch and choose OPPO Watch X2 from the list. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled, then confirm the pairing request that appears on both your phone and the watch. If prompted, verify the matching code and proceed. Wait for the initial sync to complete, then follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup. Once done, your watch is ready to use, and you can customize watch faces, notifications, fitness tracking, and more. How to charge? To charge your OPPO Watch X2, connect the USB-C cable to a power source and place the watch on its magnetic charging base. Ensure the charging pins align with the back of the watch, and the charging icon will appear on the screen. The watch supports fast charging, with a full charge taking around 30 to 80 minutes. How to reset your watch. Resetting the watch using the on-device settings menu. Open the settings menu on your OPPO Watch X2. Scroll down and tap System. Select Reset to default or disconnect and reset. Confirm the reset to restore the watch to factory settings. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold both the power button and the function button at the same time for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the OPPO logo appears. Navigate to Settings, scroll down to System, and then select Reset within the menu. Confirm your choice. The watch will reset and reboot to factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the O Health app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the OPPO Watch X2 features a stainless steel body with a titanium alloy bezel and a robust design with sapphire crystal protection. The Huawei Watch GT6 Pro combines a titanium alloy case with a ceramic back and sapphire crystal front, offering a premium yet lightweight build for everyday and fitness use. Moving to the display and sizes, the Watch X2 has a 1.50-inch LTPO AMOLED display with strong peak brightness and smooth visuals, while the GT6 Pro sports a 1.47-inch AMOLED screen with even higher peak brightness, up to approximately 3,000 nits, making it very visible in bright light. For battery and performance, OPPO's Watch X2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 platform with a 648 mAh battery, fast wired charging, and up to around 16 days in power-saving mode, along with Wear OS for broad app support. The GT6 Pro has a larger 867 mAh battery, wireless charging, and extremely long endurance, up to approximately 21 days, running Harmony OS 6 with strong health and fitness tracking, but more limited third-party app options. Pros and cons. The OPPO Watch X2 offers a premium design with a titanium alloy bezel and sapphire crystal, impressive battery life, and advanced health tracking features like heart rate monitoring, ECG, and GPS. It also supports Wear OS, providing access to Google apps and services, plus a bright 1.5-inch AMOLED display. However, it lacks eSIM support, a built-in speaker, and expandable storage. It's also available only in a 46mm size, may feel heavy for some, and the price point might be high compared to competitors offering similar features. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.